I'm not dying for you. I'm not dying for you either. Should have left you in the ground.
What do you think I was doing down there? Just hanging out with my dead sister? Having a good time catching up on childhood memories?
I think you were rotting down there. That's the thing that will ever happen to you. You deserved it. Is that right? The Ghost Riders find us. I'm not gonna do anything for you. I'm not gonna help you. I'm not gonna save you. I'm gonna do exactly what you do to me. I'm gonna use you as bait.
You're going first! That's the only reason I'm with you. Because while they're busy wrapping a whip around your neck or shooting a hole in your head, I'll be running the other direction. I'm on your side as long as it helps me.
Trust me. I know.
Cause I'm a lost river that never reached the sea. When you're not here with me. When you're gone, I'm sick to my bones. I don't feel natural. Without you, I'm not whole. When you're gone, 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 gone. Drove to your house.
Just buy us more time. Wherever Liam and the others are, get them out of there.
Monroe's gonna tear through anything standing between her and them. That means you, Lydia, Malia, and Scott.
Sorry for
Dead friends are dead. And they're gonna stay dead no matter what you do.
By the way, I'm still working on my anger.
Good to know.
That's
a great Theo.
Yeah,
but softened.
Is
Is everyone completely shocked that I might be right?
No, just don't like it. He can help us.
He could kill us.
Why do you keep trying to save me?
I would do all this to keep you from being taken.
What are you doing?
Being the bait.
You made the plan. Going me to help.
I don't care.
I don't care either. At least let me help.
You can't take pain if you don't care.
What are you doing here?
I was just asking myself the same thing.
So I'll leave the night on in hopes that you will find your way and make it safely home. And in the eye of the storm, our love will be
Does it hurt
the
anymore?
only thing that keeps us holding on.
I'm not dying for you.
I'm not dying for you either. But I will fight with you.
Okay. Let's fight.